We dey talk happy big day for all we Muslim brother them, sister them, mommy, papa them. They don't already start for enjoy part 2 for their Ngando after the prayer we happen for different side them. Inside Tori for this afternoon, we go talk. Minister wey the look out work them for we country. Oga Emmanuel Nganu Njumesi, he don't talk say that ferry way be spoiled for side from Bam and Kim for inside center region. He go give them 30 days, say 30 days. Another ferry go come for start the transport people them for on top that water from Bam for center region. Tori 2 for this afternoon, we go take una go for quarter 8 from Konsamba with rain. It don't fall today. And for Sika the plenty rain water, it don't meet up people them for house. By force, manual labor for people them for inside that quarter. We go talk this afternoon. We go take una too. We take una enter for another road for inside Cameroon. Now for side from Kambe, we go take una go show now. As we people there they come up from Kambe for go for Ndu. Now for inside Ndonga Mantun, Northwest region, they suffer. The road na different level. So for inside Tori, we go take una. We talk Ndonga Menwe economic community for inside Central Africa, head boy then SSF, they be get sabi say inside and Dongame way pass for 7 hours. Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute Naibishidon on top chair from Kunkuma, even as we be day na video conference. Chapter for Corona for we country and even for the whole world, we go talk big part talk for this afternoon. Edite we say na unity, e make soldier ant, e kill lion. They say na unity, e make soldier ant, e kill lion. Big part talk, e comot. Now for head boy for ambassador fan club for Paris, for France, Eno Jute, country people them, we return back small time. Good afternoon, plenty glad we don't meet up for the last Pidgin news inside this month for July. As soon as Sabi, number 31 day for July, we don't finish the month already. We go surely meet up again for new one. Now for next week, if Papa God help, but we never finish today. Country people them. Tori for this afternoon, we go start with this waka where Oga Minister where the lookout as we road walk. It happen. Emmanuel Nganu Njumesi, he be there for that side, so for Changyang. Now for Mbam, where some ferry way they carry people them for one side, he cross go for different side, he be broke. After we minister, he look the thing, minister don't promise, say may they give only 30 days, that people them for inside Mbam, when for the way they carry the ferry, they talk say they so 30 days. Now when they go get new ferry for that side, so for inside Mbam and Nubu, for a place where they call center region. Now promise, we Oga Emmanuel Nganu Njumesi Imekam yesterday. Quarter 8 from quarter 8 for that side, so from Konsamba, we don't enter for the just now. Sabi say as we people them, we Muslim brother them and sister they be glad their big day today for that side. So rain it be fall. And people them for quarter 8, they get a big problem. Time when rain it fall, no man enough come out, no person enough come out for outside, according to way to own assessed this year. You where you get some important something for do for outside, you must to tie hat, you waka inside water. As well this we picking the way they don't surely send them, say they go by, then they play inside that water. So for quarter 8 from Konsamba, Mongo division. So the people them, they cry, they say Guataho, it be the cause, see as we main roads. No man enough pass for day, only for Sika plenty rain. Where if for day and Sabi say corner 2, we get this motor there. People that don't just park and level for corner. Where say for Guataho for pass, day. So one of the big cry now for say made the council for that side, so for inside Konsamba quarter 8, made the open Guataho so that water it go get the road. Time when rain fall, it pass. Nayo. Make we hear one man with syringe jembam. He put microphone for him up. He talk for we.
Yes. They for Stefan for Tinway, PP, picking for quarter, they do for makeup. And I did fan parce que if you know been and them, like I do that water for Isa J. Cartier. and all star for the quartier, which is so far plenty for problem for water. Team way they for make up. They for all quartier, all team way they for make up for quarter, they for fan all quartier. I dey for your fan and I dey for fix how way. Me I feel motivate people for quarter. All picking for quarter say make the pikin work so make water no become enter for house for people.
And just for Sabi, for Sika Palava for Guataho, the way they know they for inside that quarter. Now young boy then say for the quarter, they don't talk say they no go die, they no go remain say me water, it is also meet up them, or me water eternal for roadway make and people they know the fit for waka. After we place it dry small, where rain it fall. Now them say they come out, they talk say they no go wait, say make na gomna or make na mayor. It can for can see wait where they go do them. Say they come out, as soon as they see them, they dig their own quarter them for inside that quarter. For talk say they no one they cannot way it pass all time when rain it fall, make it continue. So then say that the open roads for say make when rain it fall, make water. If find a small road, but Sabi say work where the people that they do it no correct. If on normal technician is here, they get for do better thing them so that the population it no go ever cry and it go fit for continue for do a normal work when rain it fall for inside that quarter. One of the strong number them this afternoon, na so another road where they make people them for inside northwest region for peace and for even shit for their clothes when they waka. This road on the Siam so, na road where they come up from Cambe, you go for Ndu, it then up under Donga Mountain for division for northwest, but the road, as well the talk just now, na Popo Helele, as well na sese na the Siam. Moto where if you for pass for day, country people, it means say that moto, it get banja. As well if you talk, maybe the gendarme that moto say them banja is strong plenty. But just for Sabi, say moto where own banja no strong. Like this bus where carry 16 people them, that bus we no dey at all. So then na gendarme then say where they come out for can help for see as where they push that moto. Now they suffer, I mean they true suffer, true face for roadway in the come out for Nkambe. So then you go for Ndu side for inside Donga Mountain. The population they talk, they be first the manage the road before, but now so no be na level again for manage am for Sika say people there where they waka on top this road now suffer they suffer. Imagine say you carry die body the waka on top the road. Now cry you go cry now so die body say go the hear his skin inside coffin. These people them they talk say first time they be used for the manage the road, but now so the road it don't work so te tam no day. So they beg na bego. They say men gomna make big people them elite the way they come out from Cambe. One the way they come out for Bamenda no be na only Babaju ide. Cambe Ndu na big trouble. 40 kilometers roads. Money say where people they pay just now. It don't go na only for up. Na thing where them say they cry say they no go fit for continue. Moto where you no get banja. Make you forget that moto you no fit work on top this road. Just now make we hear where the big man for driver the way they waka on top this road Nkambe Ndu. He talk for women for inside Nkambe. They call it na Haruna.
Do what? The road is not fine. Secondly, control too much. When you reach for control they ask you money, you say you don't get it. Man, they ask you money, 15,000 like 5 for 1. At the driving a big motor, go ask you 15,000 francs. For some place they ask you 30. You don't want to talk, man, to say if you been at that Amber Boys, you forgive how much, or like they for burn your motor. So there is no difference between the Amber Boys and the military, the way they do for it, because they don't take that thing now even as a business.
Yes, we go surely turn back for the other interview when we meet up for you for Monday. But just now, make we continue. We enter for this other one. Just for Sabi say, when moto sesep iwaka on top that road, when moto waka on top that road, you say you go feel am say the moto come up for some side, and moto it must to go meet up person where you go fix it one time. Now moto this way it pass on top that road, na just come up for see am. See moto is skin as we poto dey for his skin, so the time no dey direct. Now for mechanic workplace where they don't get and say make mechanic it start for work on top the motor for sick. I say plenty thing them they don't chakara on top the motor. So now just for talk country people them say the road it need help. Make we hear where some of the people then say will meet up the way they go waka from Cambe to Ndu. They talk for we.
Tanto Bori, we come on from Cambe, so it's not easy. Only for this for here we come on Cambe around 3 o'clock. But now we still there for road. We never even reach Ndu. We still there now for lower but only for reach for here, so we not be fit for go. Low my shoe. The shoe I buy almost 40-something thousand. Look, I'm not already sport. So we're not there. We don't suffer. May government city way. They feel hell we. May they leave the thing where they go around. May they see the thing where we. May we be free.
It's time for Francis for me. I come over and come back down for go bury my small brother, the guy from Limbe. We suffer for road. We don't come out since 3 o'clock for morning time. It's not easy for we to walk up for the road. So we lay back government. They look for station we did it. Because we don't suffer now for 3 days. Not really reach for play we go. So Nairobi we don't suffer since 3 o'clock for morning time. So the back them come and help with. And see how they help with the road. So we suffer for the road.
Yes, so far on top the roads, plenty. But just now, as I talk, woman, where the worker for that road, the woman to get for prepare for wear trusses. For say can say, oh man, now for outside, for make can say make motor worker, when motor is tight. Now I mean say motor will no get from banja, he no fi worker on top that road. Una see ya. Now just they suffer that, and when una see am say uniform people then say that they join for push that motor, now for tell we say the thing, na tron thing, and na one. So no be Baba Juices help, we get other road them for inside town for northwest and maybe even for southwest where they get for put eye on top. Make we talk just now. Big day, now for big day for we Muslim people them. We go take una go for Tombel. Sabi say prayer, it happen na for inside prayer place for we Muslim people them for side for a Tombel. And this side, one of the mistake we don't see how we go talk. Now say people that over she don't tight. For say can say the place it be tight. And the says for Tombel where they call it Yam Leona, it says be the day. But as way the thing day, you go notice say people then say the day where they cover their nose and their mouth for respect corona where they for outside, even as well they never give any complaint for Tombel. Prayer for inside a mosque, it be then and say waiting, make corona, it go back quick for side where it come out, make peace, it day for inside northwest and southwest and the whole Cameroon general as well the Muslim people then say the prayer. Sabi say after the prayer where it pass for inside Muslim house or Tombel, Kupe Maninguba division this morning time country people them enjoyment na for house. All kind of chop we one for chop. A day, you say we get Muslim come be them na for tonton as we part 1 it be day na for prayer and Sabi say after prayer na chop but Sabi to say today na big day for Tabaski so automatic they begin for key some sheep. Now the sheep to that way they kill them for member as we Abraham a big one kill Isaac and God is show sheep for say waiting make they take replace Abraham or they take replace Isaac. So now the same thing with Muslim people then say that they member and for this time around as soon as Sabi the feast it fall now for time where this was what secret they call them say corona is except it day for outside. Jacquino Molom where it day for inside Tombe just now he put a microphone for mob for some mommy them where they say they just come up for prayer make we hear wait to where this mommy then talk for we.
Thank God for this year where God don't join me with my people there. I don't say me I be answering for this town there. These people honor my picking, they have to say my picking. May God carry me for other here. May God make them albarka. May God order here to my risk. This sick for corona where don't can disturb we for all things. May go back.
This way they will also make God, I beg, make it will be in peace. No one, no trouble. But God, make it long life, will be fine. We not get no trouble.
Thank God for this year where
Yes, now Mami then when they just come out for prayer, where they be the talk for microphone for Jacquino Molon for Tombell. Even the imam for church for inside Tombell, it too, he talk for we.
may go a beg.
Allah for our situation for our country. May Allah bring with peace for Tombell, for all Cameroon. May they pray, say may God not bring with the sick for Tombell. And I may people where they don't feel get the sick, may Allah heal them. Let all them be fine.
And one of the people will be join Muslim people them for Tombell for pray this morning time. He be then at the divisional officer for inside Tombell that they call it say Yam Leona. He says he get this strong talk for Gi and for outside for the Muslim people them.
Come out for this day, for come pray. Pray say make peace be back not only for Tombell but for our country. And to know today na day for sacrifice. And sacrifice it means say each person for your own level. For our forces they don't contribute for make sacrifice or make sure make peace today. And we don't see and say all man don't come out, all man don't wear mask. Because all people that they be aware of the sick way they outside where they call and say COVID-19. And they take all the measures, say make that sick, make it not spread. And the most important thing for we now, so I say we want live in peace. Okay, sacrifice, time for peace, not time for reconciliation.
Ogayam Leona, divisional officer for inside Tombell subdivision. We go come out for chapter for prayer for we Muslim peoples them. We enter just now for this Ndongamen. It be then at the 17 extraordinary Ndongamen for people them. President them for inside economic community for Central Africa. Sabi said Ndongamen no be happen for any country. Now for Sikawaida una say all the president them we get one them for Rwanda. Now Oga big man for inside Rwanda on be first seen a big man for inside Congo just now. All the other president plus even big man for inside Africa AU or then say they be there. Sabi said then Ndongamen says way pass for inside this palaver for ICAS. It be happen a video conference and a Chief Dr. Joseph Diongute. It be Shidon on top chair for Kunkuma says be get for Shidon for Cameroon here and just so Sabi 10 o'clock, certain for 5 o'clock, where the Ndongamen finish, and some of the strong thing the way they come up for day, now for say make una sabi, say or the new big man for ECAS, he go come on now for Congo, and he been at the new big man just now, as we Oga Kagame, he left the chair for he, and sabi to say we get one Gondere, where they don't vote inside the commission, sabi say the Ndongamen yesterday BC, as we they get for make all the ECAS country them, make peace a day for day. Now some of the strong thing them that where they be talk as where the thing happen. So all the president them they be there, even AU chairperson, all them they be there for here with the president they be the talk. Sabi say apart from the other country them where their president it be turn up for before Cameroon we begin now with prime minister for video conference we no be na chapter for travel. We go take una remain for inside Yaoundé for talk say university for Yaoundé 2 SWA. It don't make a name, it don't make history too. As we yesterday, first blind man for defend, for get title for doctor. And Sabi say he defend, he walk way, he be done the do one for investigate on how we people they consume in them, he be defend for before big professor them for inside university for SWA. So just now, Dr. Achille Mungang, he don't be the first blind man for university for Yaoundé 2 for SWA, for get PhD inside that university, and maybe for Cameroon for that side. So for Yaoundé as we Tori, he enter for inside we here. Chapter for Corona just now, we take on a talk as we Corona be day for Thursday. Inside the whole world, 17,121,485 people them, they don't catch the sick. 667,695 people they don't die for the whole world. Donald Trump country one now 151,245 people them where they don't die. Brazil 90,130 people them. There were what where corona don't do since the percentage now 3.9% as we wanna say wanna this year. We take people them enter for South Africa where only for Thursday they get 11,046 new cases them for corona sick people. As we corona enter for South Africa since we did it, doctor them don't check 2,918,049 people them inside that number. 482,169 people they don't catch the sick. 309,601 people they don't well from the sick. Now so to 7,812 people them they don't die for sicker corona inside South Africa. Buhari, his own country, we go enter for Thursday according to number we doctor them for that side they send them for we. They send 481 new corona sick people the way they catch them for Buhari country. Now you don't make and just now for say since we corona enter Buhari country 42,689 people them where they don't catch the sick. 19,270 people them they don't well and come up for sick bed. 878 people them they don't die for sicker corona for inside Buhari country. Ivory Coast on Thursday they get new case 165 sick people them for corona. 367 people them well, one person die. On Thursday when they begin with the number them, they try for tell we say 4,718 number for corona sick people the way they think they for their skin proper where they for on top hospital beds. But Sabi say since we corona enter for Ivory Coast, now 15,978 people they don't catch the sick. 11,160 people they don't well, 100 people they don't die for Ivory Coast for sicker this for what sick with the column say corona. Make we sabi corona day and not just for tell we say make we continue for respect the commander them before you want come out for house cover your nose your mouth sabi say no get for enter over for inside population. When you want cough cover your mouth. When you want to come out kata for your nose look out some of that in them. Corona day for you where you check say day no be Thomas. We go turn back for Ivory Coast for talk say waiting they don't get new prime minister after we Amadou Kong Coulibaly he die. Now the new man this way he go shidon on top that chair where Amadou Kong Coulibaly die. He name na Ahmed Bakayoko and they give the chair on Thursday. Now big man says for country Alassane Dramane Ouattara he signed the book so now he go shidon on top that chair like the prime minister for Ivory Coast place where Amadou Kong Coulibaly 11. And Sabi Seb say no be na only for Cameroon where water it meet up people them drive for inside house. Even for the white man country then say water the enter for the Manadin now we take people then go for outside country for a place where they call them say Macaes now for Puerto Rico where plenty rain way fall for that side. It don't make and just now when na army then say where they waka inside water meet up people them for inside house where water don't meet up them for right for inside the house for help them carry their picking them for come out for outside. They tell you say now for some seekers on war breeze where it comes so now army then say just now they carry their big motor way higher for up where it dey so water no fit touch am for comot people them for plenty of the place where water it don't meet up them so no be only for Douala like for place like Bonapriso or maybe you want talk say Mabanda where water the meet up people them even for white man country their own to Iwowo as well as say Bonadisiam but that one I never talk say white man country no fine your own country says you fit make it fine for you. Now so we see country waiting the small thing the way they pass, waiting the newspaper the way they outside say they get them for talk for we enter for inside the voice weekend where they outside since a Thursday. And they talk for we as we in Kunkuma, it don't drive a magistrate 11 for inside Ambadem according to the voice weekend. Inside the voice weekend says you go read as we it waiting don't pass, waiting the interview with the say they get with Dr. Christopher Formignon. You go read tutori where he consigned this council association with the voice weekend to read people them. They meet all them that talk. You go read other to read them with the voice weekend. A carry am for his skin. Horizon, a day too for outside, inside Horizon. They dey talk for we, say they so. New Boya Mayor, he get for pay plenty money when a money we council in the OAM according to the Horizon. Horizon to the tell we say that magistrate when Kunkuma send am for by force pension just now in the support. Now people then where they want divide country according to Horizon he talk am. You go read Tori to a concerned that doctor where he join medicine. In the talk say he don't look out. So they some corona sick people them they don't well. Horizon get other Tori. Where you fit for it inside. PG News debate in the camp on Saturday 12:30 sote for 1:30 we return back for some of the strong number them will be get inside the week. Big thank you for Manadine, thank you too for Malis, thank you for Ledu and even Farrell Bunya we put camera for my face this afternoon. If Papa God help, we go meet up for the first PG News debate inside the new moon, where they call them say August. Tomorrow, on a whole tight.